Patio steps cracking or uneven? Fixing those issues fast keeps your outdoor space safe and looking sharp. So, when you notice your patio steps cracking or getting uneven, the first thing to do is check the surface and the supports underneath. Start by cleaning off any dirt or debris so you can see the damage clearly. If the cracks are small, filling them with a concrete patch or epoxy filler works great and stops them from getting worse. For bigger cracks or chunks missing, you might need to remove the damaged part and pour fresh concrete. Uneven steps usually mean the supports have shifted or eroded, so look under the steps to see if the base is solid. If the base is soft or sinking, you may have to dig down, fix the soil, or add gravel for drainage, then rebuild the supports. Use a level to make sure each step is even before the concrete dries. Don't rush this part because even little mistakes can cause more cracking later. Lastly, sealing the concrete after repairs helps protect it from weather damage and keeps those steps looking good longer. One of the biggest problems with patio step repair is ignoring drainage issues, which leads to water damage and cracks. To fix this, make sure your steps have proper slopes and drainage channels so water doesn't pool near them. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of concrete mix. Always choose a mix designed for outdoor use and durability to avoid early wear. Lastly, rushing repairs without letting concrete cure fully causes weak spots and unevenness. Give it enough time to dry and set before using the steps again. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to patio repairs and other home projects. It's also a solid way for contractors to find new clients and grow their business.